She's got a haircut. I love her
Yeah,
eyebrows.
Look at her nose, babe. What happened to her nose? Come here, sugar. What happened? There you go.
Sugar Mama got a haircut. She looks like Splinter from the Ninja Turtles. Braveheart gonna get clipped up, babe?
Braveheart.
You gonna do his face? I guess so.
I guess so. I guess he's
I
ready.
guess he's ready. He's a good boy, Braveheart.
Oh.
He knew it was too small, Dad.
Because you got the pink one. Yes. Because you're the pinky boy. Yes. Are you ready for this? Huh? You ready for this?
Just a little touch up for the Braveheart. Look at him. He's so funny. Good boy, little man. Where's the sugar mama?
He's grunting.
Is he grunting?
Well, I don't think he's too happy with me.
Why?
I don't know.
You don't want to do it?
I don't think he really wants.
You just wanted a little bit of attention? Are you grunting? Where's the sugar mama? I want to see the sugar mama. Where's the sugar mama? There her is. Her looks so cute. Her daddy did a good job. Okay. Are you over it? The nursery's ready for Mandy whenever she's gonna have her babies. Are you good? Milton's next. Again, a little trim.